Welcome YouTubers to Front Engine Dragster Life in the Shop. Just going to go over a couple of current projects I'm working on for a couple of guys here. This is a early 70s Camaro, well it's 74 Camaro. This has been an ongoing project here lately, but made up a dash for it. And just got through doing the wiring and whatnot. That's it. Fuel, fan, lights, fuse box. Left him plenty of room for the MSD stuff later. Got your remote starter solenoid right there. Not really much to say on this one. Still got to finish cleaning up the steering wheel so I can get it back on here. And then I'll be getting close, ready to put the door back on the car. Yep. And then I got to finish up the engine work. Got it covered up, keep from getting dirty from all the other work I've been doing in this place, in the shop. Yeah, that's about it on that. And then the Mopar out there, it's been waiting on a gas tank. It finally came in this week. And we're still waiting on the sending unit. Managed to find the fuel tank and the sending unit through Rock Auto. Pretty cool. Anyway, that'll go in, and then I've got some odds and ends stuff I got to do to it. It's another ongoing project. And so, yeah. Like I said, on this Camaro, I got to put the heads back on. Put the heads on it. Changing the intake manifold, hopefully, and just a basic foot brake car. No fancy electronics, no MSD or anything, at least not yet. In the process of working on the brakes too. Converted it over to manual brakes. I had to change a master cylinder and of course remount the residual or proportioning valve, whichever you want to call it, metering valve. So, and that's about it. Probably going to get rid of the mechanical fan. Doesn't need both on there. That electric fan should be plenty big for this project. And yeah, so just a short video here. It's not really much else to say or show. So anyway, guys, if you're watching this, subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos that I have posted on here. Hit that little notification bell so you'll get notified of other videos that I post in the near future. And leave a comment. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you like it, thumbs up. All right, thank you.